future of caste system? So how do you think is the future of caste system in India? Reduced. There are a couple of ideas here. Some find that it is it's losing its rigidity. Some feel that it is gaining strength and prestige. But both of things are happening. So that only we'll see. Caste system is a deeply rooted social institution in India. It is giving social identity and it is real. On one hand, caste system is losing its rigidity, and on other hand, it is gaining social strength and prestige. At present, the efforts are not in the direction of diluting the caste system, but in the direction of strengthening inter-caste bonds. G.S. Gurye views that caste system has become a social evil and therefore it has to be abolished. Mahatma Gandhi in Young India 1919 stated that caste system should be reinstated on the lines of Varna system. According to some other scholars, caste system should be reinstated on totally different by amalgamation of various caste groups so that a caste-less society can be achieved. Tony B, T.H. Marshall, Kodandaram stated that all the above views are impractical, disastrous, and will create a lot of social tensions. According to Max Muller, caste system as a religious institution will fade away, but as a social institution will live and improve. According to Pauline Kolenda, caste system is showing signs of disappearing. According to Asirvadam, whatever purpose caste system has served earlier, it is a hindrance to the progress today. Therefore, it has to be opposed tooth and nails. According to D.N. Majumdar, just like a poisoned finger is amputated but not the whole body, untouchability in caste system should be done away with, but not the entire caste system.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijeta IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijeta IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.